Danish, your turn.
Let's do this, man. Gotta win that bag, you know.
Who is the real Danish Ali?
Saad.
Okay.
Sometimes, you know, look in the mirror and it's actually Saad just copying me.
We couldn't afford any mirrors.
Okay, I love Sundays because...
I love Sundays because you don't have to go to med school.
All right.
Yeah.
And play Antakshari, of course.
And play Antakshari.
The best joke, सबसे अच्छा मजाक जो आपने सुना हो?
Okay, this is someone else's joke. I'm going to tell someone else's joke. There's this guy, his grandmother's dying. She's having a heart attack. So, you know, he lifts her and he carries her and he takes her to the hospital. And he goes to the doctor and the doctor's like, my grandma's having a heart attack. So he goes, relax, you know, we'll deal with it. And 16-hour long operation, surgery, this, that. He's pareshan. Doctor comes out and he's like, okay, I've got some good news and some bad news. He goes, what's the bad news? He goes, well, we had to amputate both her legs. So now she'll be in a wheelchair and you need to carry her around. He's like, okay. He's like, well, also we had to remove her eyesight because, you know, it's bad and so she's also blind now. So you'll have to take even extra care of her. He's like, okay. He's like, but also now she's totally urinarily incontinent and, you know, you'll have to sit at home. You'll have to leave your job. You'll have to sit at home, you know, and you'll just have to take care of her. He goes, what's the good news? He goes, relax, I'm kidding, she died. Well, I thought it was funny at the time.
You guys are sick.
What is guys?
Sick.
What is guys in this?
Sorry, you are sick.
Yeah.
You're a sick man. Sick.
I'm a doctor.
You don't love Sundays. You obviously do not love Sundays.
That was a lie.
All right.
Yeah.
Fast cars or fast girls?
Fast cars in girls. Fast girls in cars. You can see my mind is just girls. But no, so, yeah.
I think he was trying to say fast girls in fast cars. But anyway, all right. Are you a phone person or an SMS person?
I am I can be both depending on who's calling, like, or SMSing, you know. If it's
Aisha Alam.
If it's Aisha Alam.
There you go.
Definitely an MMS. Definitely an MMS.
It's gonna be,
yeah.
Okay, Pakistani men are...
They're awesome
Us.
from a distance, like, you know.
Huh?
No, like men, I mean, you know, like if Pakistani women, they're more awesome.
All right, okay. Internet आप use करते हैं?
Yes, like a freak.
You're a freak.
Like a freaky guy on the internet.
Phone पर?
Yeah, at times, yes.
Okay.
Especially in med school, when, you know, there's someone dying, he has 1 minute left, I go to Google.
All right.
You know, otherwise it wouldn't.
Okay.
Google has saved me countless times. Not the patient, they die always. But I got out of it.
WebMD.com, right? Hadn't
What's
heard of that one. Yeah, okay. Your most prized possession?
My biceps.
Not your wife or anything.
Well, I'm glad it's not Saad, but
How do you think I
right.
got my wife?
My biceps.
My biceps.
Okay, Pakistani celebrity जो सबसे ज़्यादा obnoxious, बदतमीज हो.
I can't really answer that. I might run into them.
It's okay.
Gumby.
Really?
Obnoxious.
Gumby?
No, not the drummer. The plasticine green guy. Not the drummer.
Got you.
Don't edit this out and be like, yeah, he actually hates the drummer Gumby.
Gumby.
No, Gumby's sweet. I mean,
Who's the most obnoxious? We don't really meet, and can you introduce us to
Are
some
you
stars?
nuts? They all come to watch you guys.
I'm pretty obnoxious.
Can
I
you
don't think
please-
anyone is. I would find someone obnoxious.
Can you introduce us to people that we might find
आप
obnoxious?
लोग okay, आप लोग politically correct हो रहे हैं? Do you want to win this gift hamper? The most obnoxious Pakistani celebrity. Come on, you see them?
I would say me, but I'm not a celebrity.
The most obnoxious
You think you
Pakistani
are?
celebrity?
Yeah, I'm pretty obnoxious.
Okay. Self-acclaimed. All right. Okay. The worst pickup line. यानी कि जब आपने कोई मतलब चिकनी बच्ची आपको नजर आई है. The worst pickup line जो आपने.
Okay, I'll tell you. I'm walking. This is in med school. I'm kind of walking by, and there's this hot girl, and she's carrying some soup.
Huh.
And so I just walking by, and I go, "Is that for me?" And she just didn't ignore me like you did. Just kind of ignored me. Just kept walking. And I felt like such an ass. I was like, what the hell was that? Ignore. Like, she did not acknowledge my existence. She was just like... And I'm just standing there. Worst pickup line.
I'm glad. Thank you कि आपने मतलब अपने बारे में इस तरह आपने share किया. And I have to say, hands down, I love you, Saad, to bits, but Danish, for sure, ये prize Danish को जाता है.
I'll keep my dignity. You can give him the gift hamper.
Danish.
He's gonna take it in the car, you know.
I am going to take it.
Are you going to bully him?
Of course.
Oh, like anything, like.
Danish, say thank you.
Thank you so
welcome.
much. Thank you, Saad.
And not to me.
Thank you. I love Sunday. Thank you, Mobile Indigo. Thank you, Aisha Alam. I would never have thought I would.
Thank you, No Reservations.
Thank you, Tiger Woods.
Thank you, Hafsa Syed.
Thank you. I know you're having an affair, but watch it. One more.
All right, well, guys, thank you for being on the show with us.
Come watch a show.
This isn't that funny.
Don't take this interview as anything.
This is, I mean.
All right, on that note, thank you, boys, for joining us. It's been wonderful having you on the show. आपसे, of course, बातचीत करके बहुत मजा आया. You've been extremely entertaining, as I knew you would be. And but it was nice to also get some personal little snippets that you allowed us to see.
I don't know what I just said, and I don't know how much trouble I'm in.
Oh boy.
It's just a mountain of this on top of you, Danish.
Oh my God.
All right, on that note, I hope कि आप लोगों को भी बहुत मजा आया हो. अगले हफ्ते फिर मुलाकात करेंगे 2 और मेहमानों के साथ. वो कौन है? You're gonna have to tune in to find out. I'm Aisha Alam Khan.
You don't know either, do you?
I have no idea. Khuda Hafiz और शब खैर.